Hi, this is Master Kent. I wrote a book about how to excel before 50. And so the book's name is Excel Before 50. And it's about developing excellent problem solving mindset. And so I remember in my book, I talk about that you first created a timetable. Um, Not just a timetable, it's a winner timetable. So, well, then you begin audit your time and start planning very differently. And but not only that, as you have a winner time, you can use what I teach you in the book called repurpose, and you can actually repurpose it to as everyone will age. So therefore, you can use a timetable when a person reaching 70 years old um or maybe 75 or 80 and above. I guess like you really need to have a more a disciplined life, and it's still a disciplined life. Otherwise, life will be in chaos. You just don't know how to what to do. And of course, at the time, you would be more likely it's like eating, sleeping, pray, go to toilet, all these things, changing laundry, and still you need a schedule on Monday to Sunday, right? So that is once you have this, it's easier for a caregiver to give you a care, and you can expect some kind of quality life after retired. And this is designed for not only for the person but also for myself. So when I come to, if God's willing, I reach age 80 or 90, and this is perhaps something I can look forward. Yeah, perhaps listen some dogs barking sound like that. So some planting, and go to toilet, sheep bathing. So right in the morning is that there is go to toilet or cleaning toilet. So we need some persons to clean our toilet. So it may not clean every single day. If you want to go to max, of course you can go for every single day, but then she's not really needed to. But there are something that you need to do every day, like eating. Yeah, eating. So in the Chinese, you can sort your life with these four letters: 衣、食、住、行. Okay, so you have a clothing. So when do you want to do a laundry? Put it there. And then food. 3 days, 3 days a meal time, right? So 1 to 3. So and so on. So every single day is sorted. And where do you stay, right? Yeah, find a place. And all you need is the place to stay, a place to stay. But don't forget that we are age when you are reaching 80 years old, a medical is important. So you just find something that is distant to a hospital, get the medical box ready with all the panadols, yeah, that kind of things that should be installed, right? As there should be a handler in the toilet, should be there for the age one. So perhaps I'm recording this for my kids to take care of me if I can reach 80 years old. Yeah. So laundry, gardening time. Um, yeah. So these are the walking time. So plan the walk. So the place should be um easy to go to a garden. So yes, this is an important place, right? Garden walk time. So the place should be near to the garden. So and preferably will be secured. Okay, secured. Uh, Near to garden. Okay, or taman, right? So that is a walking distance. So that's why it's a walking distance. And yeah, I think that would be great. So coupled with some TV time, this should be a good life retired. What do you think? Um, Thanks for watching. Another masterpiece designed by Master Ken. Now, I'm just sharing with you that by reading my books, uh, and you can use this idea to go to another one, repurpose it. I also talk about lemon. Did I talk about lemon? Let's see. Oh yeah, if you have a red lemons, and what can you do with the lemons, and um, there's many things you can do with it, and well, basically this one. If you're on a lemon, you can do a lot of things. Yep. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia, and I thank Jesus for giving me the ability to share.